When you're in a survival situation, shelter and warmth are at the top of your priority list. Hypothermia from cold, wet, and windy weather can be fatal, and when it isn't, it impacts everything from coordination to decision making. For emergency shelters, it doesn't get much better than the S.O.L line of blankets. Made from a waterproof, heat-reflective material, these blankets reflect 90% of your body heat while keeping rain, snow, and wind at bay. The really surprising thing about this material is how durable it is. Unlike traditional space blankets, which are hard to unfold and prone to shredding at the slightest nick or cut, S.O.L blankets deploy easily, and the flexible material stretches rather than breaking apart and leaving you unprotected in the worst conditions. Small tears and holes are easy to repair with duct tape, and with basic care, these blankets will last as long as you need them to. There are two sizes, the one-person emergency blanket and the two-person survival blanket. I love the printed instructions on the survival blanket. It's great for tips on how to construct a more advanced shelter, gather water, and build fire. Weighing in at just a few ounces, these blankets are meant to be carried with you on every trip. After all, you never know when you might find yourself spending the unexpected night outdoors.
The one thing you can always count on is Murphy's Law. What can go wrong? Well, you know the rest. That's why being ready and prepared with Titan Survival can make all the difference. Titan's emergency survival blankets are made of the same polyethylene material originally developed for NASA's space program. It's perfect for all emergency situations and all kinds of weather due to its waterproof and tear-free material that will help prevent hypothermia and shock by reflecting up to 90% of the user's body heat. Each 5-pack comes with individually wrapped 52 by 82-inch blankets that are sealed shut and take up minimum space for storage. Each blanket is both reusable and versatile and can be used as a blanket, a poncho, a signal or distress beacon, and for shade and wind protection. A must-have for your go bag or emergency kit, Titan's emergency survival blankets will keep you ready for whatever's around the corner.
The S.O.L Escape Bivvy is a revolution in backcountry emergency bivvies. As the most fully featured shelter in the lineup, the Escape Bivvy offers body heat reflectivity, high water resistance, full wind blockage, and drumroll please, breathability. The Escape lets your body's condensation escape through micropores in the fabric. So for the first time in an emergency shelter, you stay warm and dry. No more cold mornings waking up wet inside your bivvy. When the weather turns bad, the waterproof seams keep moisture outside, and the bivvy seals up entirely to keep the elements out. Just zip up the quarter-length side zip and cinch the hood closure tight to wait out any storm. Use the Escape Bivvy on its own as part of an ultralight sleep system, or put it over your down bag to boost its temperature rating. During the Adventure Racing World Championships in Tasmania, I spent 6 wet and cold days in the backcountry, and the Escape was all my teammates and I needed. The time for compromise is over, my friends. The Escape Bivvy ushers in a new paradigm in backcountry emergency shelters. Versatile, durable, heat reflective, and breathable.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.